Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use GNC whey protein effectively. First, understand that GNC whey protein is a fantastic supplement for muscle growth and recovery, delivering essential amino acids your body needs. You can find it in various forms like concentrate, isolate, or hydrolysate, each with slightly different benefits. A standard serving, usually 1 scoop, provides about 24 to 25 grams of high-quality protein, making it easy to meet your daily requirements. Let's dive into how to incorporate it into your routine. Timing your GNC whey protein intake can significantly impact its benefits. Many find it most effective immediately after a workout, within 30 minutes, to aid in muscle repair and growth. Starting your day with a scoop in the morning can also kickstart protein synthesis. If you're looking to increase your overall protein intake or manage hunger, a serving between meals works wonders. Some even take a smaller dose before bed to support overnight muscle recovery. Experiment to find what best suits your schedule and goals. Preparing your GNC whey protein is incredibly simple. The most common method is to mix 1 scoop with about 6 to 8 ounces of your preferred liquid. Water is excellent for a lower-calorie option, while milk adds extra protein and creaminess. For more substantial meal replacement or snack, blend it with fruits, vegetables, and other supplements to create a delicious and nutritious smoothie. A shaker bottle is your best friend for quick, lump-free mixing on the go. Just shake well for about 20 seconds. To truly maximize your results with GNC whey protein, remember it's part of a larger picture. Always combine your protein intake with a balanced diet rich in whole foods. Staying well hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily is also crucial for overall health and nutrient absorption. Consistent exercise, including both strength training and cardio, will amplify muscle growth and recovery. Finally, consider consulting a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice tailored to your specific health and fitness goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.